So this is the hairstyle atta chakki I'm talking about. So come closer. We'll just look at its components. These are the nets and here is the instruction panels. कौन सा net कौन से आटा के लिए यूज करते हैं वो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. This is the hopper where you put the grains. This is the grinding chamber where the grains are grinded, and this is the place where you put the net. This is the container in which all the grains are collected. So let's see how this works. So as I start this atta chakki, it starts singing. So it is an indication कि हाँ मैं चालू हो गया हूँ. So when I put the grains, it will start automatically, and as the grains are finished, it will stop automatically. So I don't have to press any buttons. As you can see, there are no buttons on this atta chakki. So that you don't have to use your brains. Just put the grains in, it will start itself. Grains खत्म होने के बाद it will stop itself. So let's check it's working now. So as you can see, अपने आप चालू हो गया है आटा चक्की. देख रहे हैं कि the grains are already over, but the chakki is still running. There is one reason because it cleans itself. वो अपने आप को clean कर लेता है, so I don't have to go ahead and clean it myself. So this is one of the pros of this atta chakki. It is self-clean. Also they have given a small brush कि जो थोड़ा सा बाकी बचा हुआ dust जो रहता है वो हम लोग निकाल दे सकते हैं. So as I open the main door, the chakki stops running. Safety reasons के लिए उन्होंने ऐसे किया है, so that no one gets hurt. So here are your grinded grains. अच्छे से पिसा हुआ आटा है. So now you know what to buy. Website in the link below and check out the comparison between different companies like Godrej and Natraj, and then you choose what to buy. Product demonstrations. Put your comments in the link below. Thank you for watching the video. So to conclude with, this is fully automatic.